So, there's this one thing that all these movies have in common. And that one thing made them known to the public. That's right, I'm talking about trailers, short action-packed videos that grab your attention and leave you wanting more at the end. And in this video I'll show you how to create cinematic trailers that will captivate your audience. Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content, so like, subscribe or leave a comment if you want some more. A trailer is a fantastic way to promote something that is upcoming. It's widely used for movies, but you can create trailers for every kind of situation. It can be a product launch, a new website, or an upcoming event or webinar. Now, last week we discussed the importance of having teasers in your video strategy, so you can watch that here if you want to. Alright, let's work today with this definition of a trailer. A trailer is a short promotional video designed to give a viewer a better understanding of what to expect from the upcoming release. Trailers often include dialogue, music and sound effects to create an immersive experience for the viewer. The goal of a trailer is to build anticipation and generate excitement around the release by showing what the audience can expect to see or experience. Now you know what a trailer is and when and why to use it, you need to know how you can create one. When creating a trailer, it's important to first identify the elements of the release, such as the story that you want to tell. What does that product do? Who is coming to your event? Next, choose the most compelling content to grab viewers' attention and leave them wanting more. Slow motion often works here. Use the right music and sound effects to create an emotional impact, and a call to action should be included at the end of the trailer, telling viewers where to find more information. And that's it. Now, time for the big question. When should you use a teaser and when should you use a trailer? The main difference between a teaser and a trailer is the level of detail they provide about the upcoming release. Teasers are shorter, more focused on visuals and music, and released further in advance of the release date. Trailers show dialogue and give away parts of the story, leaving your audience wanting more. In line with the subject, I kept this video rather short. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.